Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm glad you are here to join me today. I'm going to be opening this awesome little package from Queenacraft and I'm super excited. I took a little peek, but I haven't seen it all the way through, so let's see what we have here. So first of all, may I say they have this really beautiful card that goes with their mail, and I think it's so pretty. I've used it as an ephemera piece. Very, very beautiful, and that's what that looks like. Very, very pretty. Thank you for that. All right, so they have sent me a few of these cute little envelopes. Let's take a look. Alrighty. Hello friend. And you know, they're not teeny tiny, but they are small for sure. It's not washi tape, but it looks like stamps and washi tape, and it's just adorable. And so you got all these designs. Each of them are actually different. Okay, oh look, that has a little bumblebee in the back. Cute. This looks like a little wax seal image. Let's see the first one where it says hello friend. It's got like a little piece of washi tape looking thing. Isn't that cute? And here too. Super cute. And then this one, little crown. Oh, look at these little birdies. Looks like a little wax seal image. And this pretty little design. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, look at that. It says paid. Isn't that cute? Look at that bird cage. I love that. That's so pretty. And this little deer. It's beautiful. I've been making some snippet rolls, and I tell you what, I'm kind of liking these images for that, even though I do want to use them as actual envelopes. They're a little big for that project, but we'll see. But anyway, these are stunning. I really love them. Look at that butterfly. So cute. Okay, so we have the, oh, the paper. It's called Tea Time. And oh, I've just been working with these colors lately, so I'm just very spring, floral, beautiful colors. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. That is perfect. Look at, very nice. These are 6 by 6 and they are white. They're like a medium. They're not super thin, but they're not super thick either. They're pretty medium. Look at that flower, so pretty. Oh, so far this is my favorite. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Pretty. I like this one too. Oh wow. Okay, now this one and this one look similar, but they are different. And I can't tell which one I love more. I'm thinking this one. I think this one might have beat this one, but oh my gosh, they're just stunning. They're both beautiful. And you get 2 of each. So, oh my gosh, how pretty is that? And then these are, you know, I don't love this one, but it is cute and it has the colors so that it'll combine. Same thing with this one. Look at this one. This is so pretty. So pretty. Okay. Let's see what else. That's pretty. Very, very pretty as well. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Look at that one. Stunning. And then the little polka dots again, which are smaller on this one. Because this, see, these are a little bit bigger. But this is a beautiful collection of papers. Queenacraft, thank you so much. Very beautiful. And I ordered a little tea set because of it being tea time. I thought it would be fun to have a little like tea set. And so this, it's a little, let's see, it's a little die that it's like a teacup, but it's more than one teacup. It's like several teacups and a little teapot. So see, these are the little teacups. I don't know if you can see it that well. Oops. And then here's a little tea kettle. So I think that's precious. I'm excited to work with that. The last thing I ordered, and it's like a little ephemera pack. And it's actually very kind of quirky. Let's see what it is. Original handmade materials. Okay, let me open this. Nice, very nice presentation. I love this. I'm definitely going to keep this. Use it for something. You know, the birth signs or whatever. And so this is really cool. And then it's got also this image back here. And it is double-sided. So I kind of like that and don't like that because that means I'm going to have to pick a side. But I really like it anyway. So it's really nice. Images, and so this is like an ephemera pack, and I really like that because I have an ephemera. I have a Halloween journal that I was having trouble putting the oh look, this one has more envelopes in it. Isn't that adorable? See, now this one I might be able to put the seals, even though it has like a faint one, but it's still definitely can use something else. And these are little too, but they're not quite as small. See, they're a little bit bigger, not much, but a little bit, and I just really like that. These are really cute little envelopes. Look at that letter A back there. So cute. And you get several of those. Okay, so then there's this one. Is this a sticker? Feels like a sticker, but I'm not sure. Yes, I believe it is. And then there's like, so these were all little stickers. Look how cute. This little weird contraption. I don't know what it is, but it's cute. And it's a sticker. So I love that. All these little like vintagey stickers. And yeah, some of them look really kind of medieval-ish, and so that could be good for my Halloween junk journal. But it could also go nicely with other, you know, other kind of journals, mainly like the vintage or steampunk type, maybe, even though I don't really plan on doing anything steampunk. Look at that, nests and eggs, really cute. See, that's a little spooky, so I think I can use that on the Halloween junk journal. And I'm considering making another one because the one I have, I've been working with it since Halloween, and I still have, you know, I still have a lot of things I can put in it. But these, look at this, that is adorable. Love that. And they're all stickers. I love that too. So that's really cute. Very, very nice. That's cool. Quirky for sure. Definitely Halloween junk journal. And then this is just a little like map. That's adorable. It says British Isles. Love it. And then this is a little, just a cute little image, something like that. Oh yeah, and this is a real, it's like a clear sticker, and it says surgery. How adorable is that? Definitely gonna want to put that in my Halloween junk journal. I could cut the pieces out instead of having one big sticker, which probably I will do. I might do that because that way I can spread it throughout the journal. And then these bugs are adorable, mainly these butterflies. Anyway, I love this little bird. These little birds are adorable. And then it's got these butterflies and these little bird nests. Very cute. Very, very cute. And then Gray's Botanist Microscope. So that's really cool. Very thin image. Again, this looks really kind of gothy. And then this is like a little steampunky, but still could work with my Halloween junk journal as Candace. So that's really why I chose it, because I couldn't find as many images that I liked. And so yeah, look how cool that is. I can go in a junk journal for like a mermaid or even the Halloween one. But yeah, very cool. Oh wow, okay, that's a little creepy. I don't know if I like that, but let's see. Then you got this side, I don't know. It's a toy horse, so I think I can handle that a little bit more. But, so, very cool. And then this last little page here, very nicely collaged. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. And these little skeletons for that. So yeah, I really like this little ephemera pack with all these little pages and stickers and little maps and things. I think that's gonna look really cool. Like I said, mainly in my Halloween junk journal, but also maybe in other, you know, vintage style or eclectic style journals. So I'm excited to have all this ephemera to work with. And like I said, I like how it came packaged in this. And I will probably be stitching a video to this, or make another video. I'm not sure yet. But if you like this video, be sure and give me a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe, be sure and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you will know when I have a new video for you. Love you so much, and I will see you in the next one.